Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Carelis Apollo. In this video, I am going to talk about the importance of syntactic linkage in a coherent communication and describe the syntactic linkage of number, person, and gender. Let's start. The syntactic linkage refers to the devices used by the speakers to indicate that words can be linked to form a sentence and which phrase can be linked to form a coherent clauses. That is, the syntactic link helps to form sentence so that a communication occurs effective. In terms of syntactic linkage, there are dependency relations holding between heads and modifiers. Let's continue. The importance is that syntactic linkage has in a coherent communication. The syntactic linkage has three essential aspects for its effective use: number, person, and gender. These aspects are related to the context so that grammatically correct sentences that are produced and efficient communication occurs. The importance of the syntactic linkage is based on the fact that is essential to be able to join sentence so that a good understanding of the meanings of sentence and grammatical clauses occurs, because this can provide an adequate message in a coherent communication in which the text can be understood and not there are communication errors such as missing interpretation of the context confusion, and others. In other words, the syntactic linkage is essential for sentence construction. Let's continue. The syntactic linkage of person. It's based on the grammatical person that is between the subject and the verb. It's important to mention that there must be agreement between the pronoun and the antecedent. That is, if the antecedent is the noun phrase in the first person, then it requires a first person pronoun. For example, in this example, I am a teacher. If the pronoun of the sentence is in the first person, it corresponds to a verb according to the first person. In this case, the verb is am. Okay, they are friends. In this example, the corresponding verb for they, that is third person plural, is the verb are. She is my sister. The corresponding verb for she is third person singular, is the verb is. Let's continue. The syntactic linkage of number. The number can occur between the verb and subject according to the corresponding person. There must also be a concordance between pronouns and antecedents. Examples. I am a doctor. In this example, I is first person singular. They are students. In this example, they is first person plural. Okay. He is feeling sick. In this example, he is third person singular. Let's continue. The syntactic linkage of gender. The gender is a grammatical category in which a noun, a pronoun, an article, or an adjective is masculine, feminine, or neutral. In English, the gender of a noun only affects its pronoun and possessive adjective. Example, my father is a doctor. In this example, my father belongs to the male gender. Paul is in the supermarket. For example, Paul belongs to the male gender. She is playing in the park. In this example, she belongs to the feminine gender. Okay, let's continue. In this paragraph, we can see different words underlined by various colors. For example, the words in blue express the nouns found in the category syntactic linkage of person. Example, Peter, he, my best friend. Okay, let's continue. In gray words that express gender are underlined. For example, sister express gender feminine. And finally, the words underlined in yellow. In yellow are the verbs that are placed according to the first person. Singular or plural, suitably, this corresponds to the syntactic linkage of number. Okay? Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you.